Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make a carrot cake overnight oats. It's very low in prep time and super delicious.
'Cause they can't keep me down no more.
So I'm going to start off with taking a carrot that I actually shaved the skin off because that's the part that's like really gritty and dirty tasting. And I'm going to shred it with my shredder to add to the oatmeal. So first I add my oatmeal to the bottom of the mason jar. I don't have a particular order. I just find the way that I do it is actually really pretty.
Like a brand new rolling. Got real big plans where I'm going. The words like my mama told me. Be up some days you'll be lonely. Can't live this life on your own. Find out someday when you're grown. Hold up what you're trying to do now, yeah. Future is up to you now, yeah. I know the world is on your shoulder. They try their best to push you over. Don't let them try to stop you, cause you believe in something. I know they sleeping on you, just keep dreaming. It takes your heart and your soul to feel you straight within. So you know that nobody's stopping you. It's your day, it's your season. Go claim your promises. To let the love shine on through. Ain't no shackles holding you. We got to go way up, way up, way up. I want to go higher. Yeah. I got to go way up, way up, way up. Like you to the fire. Right down to the wire. We got to go.
So when I get to the raisins, I pretty much just add as many as I'd like on top. For me, I like raisins and I really want this to taste like a carrot cake. So I make sure that I put a nice amount, probably about no more than like 3 tablespoons.
It's been far too long that you've been singing sad songs. And if you know
So that is my overnight oats. I pretty much just mix this all together and then I put it in the fridge and I will eat it in the morning when I'm on my way to work. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys like it.